Everything I've been told was right. I was just not seeing it from the good perspective. Sure, being able to make money and assume yourself as an adult is difficult. What compromises should I make? How hard should I try? What if I make money but lose all my relationship because I'm too focused on the job? Being an adult is more about knowing how to balance your life around relationships, work, and self-care. People remember your action. If you want to go visit Paris, just go and don't talk too much about going there. Just do it. And more important, living the moment. Spending time with friends, listening more than you speak, and being attentive to what they say. Of course, you should keep your plan in your head, but allowing yourself to truly disconnect can help you come back stronger on your future. It's time to plant seeds now and enjoy the fruits in a few years. Oh, and one last thing. You should try to draw. It's more fun than you think. Get yourself some images reference on the side to help you. I truly hope you will find what you want to do with your time in this life, and I'm sure you will be successful. Stay frosty.